Hey Sagittarius, hope you are well. This is going to be a love and career reading for second half of March. So let's start with your reading. What is the message for Sagittarius sign in love for second half of March? What is the message for Sagittarius sign in love for second half of March? What is the love message for Sagittarius sign for second half of March? The message is Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, the Emperor, Five of Wands. So Sagittarius, I'm saying that someone is offering a new love to you, someone is coming back to you, maybe a reconciliation for you guys. Okay, maybe you're meeting someone in play park, I mean some park, you're going for a walk and you're meeting someone new. Okay, someone is offering a new love to you, and the offer whatever is coming is what do you say, which have everything, like maybe the person which is coming towards you have everything, a good money, life, career, everything. Okay, so you're getting a good offer whatever is coming to you. Maybe for some people, some Sagittarius, maybe a reconciliation coming back from past. So whatever the past the problem the Sagittarius had with that person, it's not now over. Maybe the past person who is coming has dealt with their own problems, own issues, own depression, own karma, and now they are coming back and offering a new love to you. They want to start a new love with you. Okay, so I'm saying that new offer is coming. I'm saying mostly a reconciliation. Okay, okay, so whatever is coming now, the person who is coming is now settled, is now having a proper offer to you. They are not going to do what they have done in the past, and now they want to offer a better opportunity, better offer to you. Okay, I'm saying that some of the Sagittarius partner, or maybe you're traveling towards your partner, or maybe someone is coming to you from distance. It could be from anywhere, from some distance, maybe from some other country, or maybe from some other city. So they are traveling towards you. Okay, or maybe you're traveling towards them. Okay, so the love is coming towards you. Okay, it's not some people, maybe their family members whom they love, they are coming towards you. Okay, it could be that your family is coming towards you from some city, from some distance. Okay, I'm saying that you are holding in your power, you have everything whatever you need, you worked on yourself. Okay, that person so the whatever the competition, whatever the problem you had, that is over now in love. Okay, now you have come up with the new version of yourself. Okay, however you're fighting through your love, like when you will get love, all those thinking coming in your mind, but now you're sitting in a proper judgment, proper with everything, like you have money, you have work, you have everything properly, and now you are just waiting for the love, for the offer. Okay, or maybe you want to give offer to someone else. The thinking, lot of the problems you had for not getting love is now seems to be like over, and someone is coming from a distance. Let me see a few more cards in love. What is the message for Sagittarius in love for second half of March? What is the message for Sagittarius in love? What is the message for Sagittarius in love for second half of March? What is the message for Sagittarius? What is the message? Oh, holy moly. What is the message for Sagittarius in love for second half of March? No. What is the message for Sagittarius in love? What is the message for Sagittarius in love for second half of March? What is the message for Sagittarius? The message is Four of Cups, Six of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, I'm saying that you missing the opportunity. Maybe someone is around you, wanted to offer love, wanted to offer emotions. Maybe there are friends around you who want you to see what they have to offer. okay, and you're not seeing it, but in fact you're sad because you are not getting a love, or in your love life you are not seeing the opportunity who is offering a love to you. Basically someone want to offer you, okay, which is available for you, but you're not seeing it. You're missing the opportunity being in the past. So please clear your past and see the opportunity, surrounding to you, who is available and want to give you offer. Okay, so don't miss it, Sagittarius. Also I'm saying that Six of Pentacles, where I'm saying that you may be helping your love, maybe you're maybe helping your family member in terms of money, and you were very open hearted, okay, in your heart chakra is open now, and you're helping people. You are loving everyone who is offering a love to you. Okay, so that's a message for Sagittarius in love. So we'll see the general message for you, Sagittarius, later, but now we'll see the career. What is the message? We'll see the career message. What is the career message for Sagittarius? What is the message for Sagittarius in career? What is the career message for Sagittarius for second half of March? What is the career message for Sagittarius? What is the career message for Sagittarius? The career message is the Sun card, Ace of Swords, Nine of Cups, Five of Cups, King of Swords, and Nine of Wands. So Sagittarius, I'm saying that you are now sitting and waiting. In your career you basically have good money, a good career, and now you're just sitting relaxed, and you're not means you looks very settled. Okay, for some of the Sagittarius I'm saying that okay, that the new offer, the new opportunity is coming. Someone maybe offered a new opportunity to you, okay, a new start. Okay, maybe you have opened a new business or new entrepreneurship or something new you started, okay, which is going to be a good output. You're going to success in that, in your career. Whatever you're starting, whatever work you're doing, you're going to success because there is a Sun card. All right, okay, so some of the Sagittarius I'm seeing that you may be upset because there is something which is not happened in your way in your career, and you seems to be upset that it's not going to happen. But it's not like that. The card is saying that there is still an opportunity, there is still a bridge where you can go and pass through that bridge and achieve the opportunity. So there is still opportunity available to you. It's not fully gone over yet. Okay, also I'm saying King of Swords, where you are some of the Sagittarius are very creative in their mind, and they are, they now they are handling everything in a proper way, and they are going with flow in their career, and they are very punctual in their work, in their career. Okay, so also I'm saying that you were doing multitasking before, and now you got over whatever you're doing. Okay, I'm saying let me see message for career. Let's see more cards. What is the message for Sagittarius? What is the message for Sagittarius? What is the career message? What is the career message for Sagittarius sign for second half of March? What is the career message for Sagittarius sign? What is the career message for Sagittarius sign for second half of March? The Fool card and the Death card. So Sagittarius, you are very confident. Okay, now since you have a good job, good work, and good business is going, okay, now you are very confident in your work, in your business. Okay, there is someone who is always helping you, always guiding you in your career. Okay, but I suggest here, Sagittarius, don't be overconfident with whatever you're doing. I really appreciate that you're being confident, but make sure you're not taking any other steps, any more step. Okay, think and take a step. However, there is a person or someone is guiding you, but you think and take a step. Okay, think properly and analyze it and take a step. Okay, also there is a death card where I'm saying that you let me get into it. So your career message seems like that card shows that new beginning in your career. So whatever you're starting now, it's all over. The bad thing in your career, the bad loss, everything is over, and there is a new beginning. Okay, in your career, maybe if your team member is not happy, they are going to be happy now. Okay, so it's all going to be good. Okay, Sagittarius. So that is the message in your career. Let me see the general message for Sagittarius. What is the general message? Oh ho ho, don't fall. What is the general message for Sagittarius? What is the general message for Sagittarius? What is the general message for Sagittarius sign? What is the general message for Sagittarius sign for second half of March? What is the general message for Sagittarius for second half of March? What is the general message? The general message is slowing down, the Lovers, the maturity. So Sagittarius, I'm saying that the spirit, the card is saying you to slow down if you're going too fast. You remember I said that be confident, but don't be overconfident. So if you're going to take some steps, be careful. If you're going to sign any documents, slow down, think, read, take steps slowly, okay, and be careful. And the next card is Lovers, which means that the new love is coming towards you. This is a very good card for you in love again. There is a new love is coming towards you, or maybe existing relationship is going to bloom in your life second half of March. Or it can be a family member where your relationship will be good with your family member, okay. And the maturity card, Ace of Pentacles, which means that you are going to get a new offer because you are matured now, you're understanding. So it says like, when you are in good vibes, when your vibe is matured, someone is going to match your vibe and get along with you. So you are now matured, you have everything now, a sense of humor, a creativity, a new new you. So that's a message, Sagittarius, for you. Let me see what is the guidance message for you. What is the guidance message for Sagittarius? What is the guidance? Oh, this card is very big. What is the guidance message for you, Sagittarius sign? What is the guidance message for Sagittarius sign? His Spirit Archangel Michael. What is the guidance message for Sagittarius sign for second half of March? What is the message for Sagittarius sign? What is the message for Sagittarius sign? Hey Archangel Michael, hey Universe, Spirit, Lord, please provide a message and guidance for Sagittarius sign for the remaining days of March. Please give me one message for Sagittarius sign. The message is caring connection. So I'll explain you what is caring connection. So as we saw that in the last shuffle, that there is some new love is coming towards you, okay. So it can be possible that the new connection, whatever is coming, is going to be a fruitful, caring, understanding and love, okay. This card shows a couple in a tender embrace with the woman holding the blossoms of new love, okay. So new love is coming, that is for sure, because we have seen in two different decks, okay. This reveals a caring connection. So whatever the connection is coming, or whatever the connection is existed, is a caring connection, but usually between two people only. So this is the signal of the new beginning or deepening of a spirit friendship, or even the appearance of new love. So new love is coming for some of the Sagittarius. Okay, or it can be signify a formal business partnership. Okay, so be on the outlook for new connection presenting to you. The relationship which you already share maybe become more intimate, purposeful or present at this time. Notice the opportunities to forge new or deeper bonds. There may be a tender karmic connection at hand. Alright, Sagittarius, so that's a message for you. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel if you like, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.